Okay, we're trading slightly above.
All right. Sorry, I was running a little late this morning. Happy Friday, everybody.
Happy Friday, boss man.
Get a freaking zoo over here is going crazy this morning. Let's see.
Zoo.
This is a bunch of crap going on. All right. I haven't even looked at the charts. A few minutes before they open. That's always smart.
Again, based on where we left yesterday off at, we're trading just above where I expected we'd be at.
All right.
Should be interesting.
Yeah, we're right back in the dead middle here.
Alright, I'm gonna look for a perfect setup on GC. It got below where I thought it would be, so obviously now we're wanting a short GC. Not a perfect setup though. RTY. Got a little below where we thought it would be as well, so kind of mixed bag this morning from what we thought we'd get yesterday.
Yeah.
Not too far out of where we thought it would start off at today, though.
Yeah, we're kind of right where we were, right?
Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much
You know,
where we said at the end of the day yesterday where we thought would start at today. So
gold, though. Gold looks like
gold's
the
the
one
only one
today.
that's a little out of its.
Yeah, the gold looks like the one we want to look at today.
I think you get the opportunity here on gold if there's a good swing. So that and CL's
CL's busting up.
still on the fringes though. So um, we should see some good opportunities. I mean, I would entertain a short on CL up here, almost anywhere where it's at right now. But just looking back at yesterday, we had some good swings. We're up here, so that's some decent little swings up here. This trade was good. This was a great trade yesterday. It's coming off the same level that it's at right now, right around 71. So it's just a little above it. This actually might be a short.
In a good area here. Oh, that's pretty steady straight up, though, isn't it?
Yeah, but Gosh, I'd be willing. I think I'm. I think
Would
I'm willing
your
to take a
short
look at
be
that.
below 70?
Too late. It already went. Well, no, like you'd have to like right now.
Right now, yeah.
Should just pull the trigger on that one. Well, we'll see if one more bar stays up there. If it does, I'll pull the trigger on the short.
I tried it. See what happens. Right there. First target there. Just tough short with this thing going, nah, it's going to
Whew,
kill me right away.
on the open.
Yeah, that was just this tough to short this thing when it's going straight up. Well, that was a quick loss. Yay. Friday morning. Come on, baby. Go down. Look at that. Didn't take me.
A little double top there.
Now
Now might
it
be.
looks like it
Yeah,
might
yeah.
work.
It
Yeah. I
does
was
got a
gonna say it
little.
didn't take me out, so we may have got a little
There's a little chop
reprieve.
chop in there now. That low's 68, so maybe 67. Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, never mind.
Nope. I'm out. All right.
Okay, there you go. Get the.
Good start to the morning. Let's get this thing done. It was a valid setup. I can't complain about it. And there it is right there. It was just too soon.
No.
Yeah. There it is. Son of a gun. Take my stop and then it turns out and works out. Look at that. All right. Let's look elsewhere. What do we got? What do we got? Gold is the one I really want to catch.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well,
What was that all about?
what's that?
Uh, Look like I'm having some issues here. Oh well. Okay.
Issues. Where is everybody this morning?
Friday. They make too much money yesterday. They don't want to.
Everybody made too much
Oh
money yesterday,
wow!
huh?
Holy cow!
What's that?
2 minute lag. Okay, that's not good. See if we can't fix that somehow. Nope. Okay, well. 826. I'm at 826 on NQ. Oh yeah, I'm not even close to your price. Let's
Oh, there he
target.
is, St. Louis Tom.
Tom?
STL Tom. I'm assuming that's St. Louis Tom.
Yes, Tom.
The Battle of the Toms. Where's he at?
Okay. Oh, all right.
Inside yesterday's daily candle range. I had an inside daily range in the middle.
Might
Oh
have to
yeah,
do a
that's how. I
reboot.
mean, I don't know if you caught me saying that, Dave. That's what I said at the end of the day yesterday. We're probably seeing inside the acting day, range bound, stay inside this little box we got. Exactly what we're doing. So you'll see some again two-way action. I mean, like here on the RTY, this might not be a bad area to look for the short on the RTY. Breaks back below the pivot. It's up into that little area of what was resistance, was support. I will put a sell stop in.
And get my
Dude,
rhythmic to
I was gonna
connect.
take my order. Oh no, that's not cool. We'd have to be outside of these, and
Did
the
it?
ES is setting up a short. Just set up to, didn't it? Dang.
I couldn't get my
That was a
rhythmic to
miss.
connect.
Oh, I'm on the wrong ATM. Uh oh. Oh well, there's my
Oh well.
targets. There's
Guess I'm
targets.
along for the ride again to this morning. I can't get anything to connect.
RTY targets. Let's roll, baby.
Getting the profits.
Keep on going
Oh
down.
no, it didn't stop my what? No.
No. Yes.
Why am I in? Oh, you're kidding me. It just placed a phantom order across all my accounts.
Still kind of think we should be in the RTY short, to be honest with you. I may want to get back in that thing. Just pay commissions there. Like right there, maybe? Oh, I forgot to switch my accounts around again. Silly Brian. Oh well. I still think I like it. If it comes back down now, it should just continue to run down, huh? I think they may have just been touring around on that one. think that just was a little jokester. Okay, yes, short didn't completely finish through, so I mean we do have a little upward momentum here, a little upward pressure. All right, well, if the RTY goes, it just goes. I mean, guess you could put another sell stop below this, but somebody's trying to push this thing up. Looks like we're probably going to end up with a really good short on these indexes here pretty soon. So let's keep our eyes open on that. What's going on with you? Paul left. Bye, Paul. Okay, what's going on? You guys hear me fine, right? I mean, we just lost Paul, right? Okay. Okay, cool. Bye, Paul. Where'd he go? All right. Let's see here. Is this my short that we missed here on the ES? I mean, you could possibly look at this here. Um, yeah, that seems like that would be the short, doesn't it? Let's think about that for a second. If it takes me, it takes me. Definitely an area where the short should work. I think I'm gonna look at this a little deeper here. I may not want to be in it. If it doesn't push down like right away here, that might be one that I just jump out of. And so technically the stop should be up here, but I'm not gonna take that big of a risk. Yeah, I can't be in that. Sorry, I'm gonna take a little hit on that, and I will though put the sell stop back in. I mean, if this is a bona fide area to take the trade from, that candle should continue. We probably should be a tick lower though. I I'm gonna take that bite. I'm not trusting this market right now. I don't trust on any follow through right now.
They're saying
It's
be
supposed
careful if you're connected to
supposed to
rhythmic.
be
They're having
huh?
issues. They're
You got
saying
your
be
targets
careful
right
if you're
away.
connected to
Yeah,
rhythmic.
you just got your target and then it wicked right back up on you. That's why I don't trust the market. I'll take that $225 hit. These are on the same account, so I gotta move that away from a different account. Mm-hmm. I mean, that was definitely a profitable trade on the short side there. Had a bigger pucker factor than I wanted. Should just jump right back in that. I'd be break even right now. So you're having if you're on rhythmic, you're having data issues. Is that what it's saying?
So my thing just literally fired off a trade across all my accounts.
Oh, geez.
Every one of my accounts, literally, and I couldn't stop it. So as It's not terrible. They're down about $100 a piece on across all my accounts, but I didn't even place the
Cool.
trade. It just fired it off, literally. And then I don't know. I was on their Discord. They said they're having issues. Imagine that. These were Bullinox accounts, Bullinox, whatever they are. I mean, I'm with both, but the issue was on Bullinox. And now I disconnected and reconnected, and I can't get any Rhythmic to connect at all. I can do the Tradevate
Huh.
connection, but I wouldn't shut down if you're connected.
Okay. Everything seems to be working properly on my end.
Yeah, I mean, if it's working for
Man,
you,
should have gotten back in that short. That's kicking. I'm gonna kick myself for that. I knew that was a good short too
short. I don't even know
on the
short where.
ES.
Yes.
Did anybody? Somebody, I'm sure, got that ES short and stayed in it. We'll get the long. We'll
Well,
get the next trade there. Oh, I don't understand why I can't get my stochastics to do right here. Why is that line so faint? Hey, you can see it now. Man, I knew that was a short. Should have gotten that short. I'm kicking myself, guys. That was silly on my part. That set up almost perfect for me. Kicking myself on that one, Paul. I knew that was a short I wanted to. It just came back a little bit here. Scared me. Scared me. Came back a little bit. Scared me. Then took back off my direction. I'd still be in that puppy too, man. What a silliness. Oh my goodness. Dumb. All right. Somebody got it at least. Well, they both set up at the same time. NQ and ES both set up at the same time. I just was focused on the ES. I normally try to grab both ES and NQ at the same time, but hey, Gabe, welcome aboard. By the way, welcome to two normal dudes, trading.
let's
Um,
see.
I don't know. I like to ask this, Gabe. Are you new to us? Have you been around one of our? Don't see the live stream. Um,
Uh, okay.
I gotta go back here.
Bo.
Yeah, can you reply to Bo?
I did. Is Bo
He we just needs
a
a link
member?
to. No, he's the one that um had there was an issue with uh, uh the rebill, him getting billed,
Oh,
so he just needs to know that he needs to put a new
well,
send
let me
in a new
find it
link.
because I'm not trading this right now. Let me find
Just
it.
maybe if you could
Where
send a
was
new
that?
link, I'll keep talking about trading.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. I'm distracted with trading anyway, so you might as well. I'll take care of that.
Yeah.
Where is that link?
All right. So missed a long there too. I don't. Well, that was kind of a hard long to get into and stay in. No more
What,
distractions. Let's go. Nothing to do on 6E. Look at that crap. Can't trade the GC right now. Need a swing on CL. That's not something I can trade on CL either. All the wicks on the bottom and it's going down. RTY was the short, like I said, but that's hard to get into. A decent little swing on the ES and NQ for the short that we should have gotten the short on the NQ and ES. That's about it. Um, I was gonna ask. Yes, I'm new. Okay, cool. Welcome, Gabe. This is Paul and I's first soiree into Discord, but we've been running trading groups for a while here, so we got some bunch of old followers, and now I'm starting to get a bunch of new followers. So welcome aboard. And when I say old followers, there's some of them are just really old, like old people in general,
just old people.
like PBR. Oh yeah, there he is, right there, like PBR. Just old in general. He's a good dude though. Old PBR
Yeah.
is a good dude. Yeah. We got a couple old followers, so they're just old. We do have a few old followers that are just old too. Foggies. Doc App's an old follower and he's old. Oh,
What the?
love it. We got a few of them. I love you guys though. You guys are awesome. Tom, Jockap, PBR. They like stop naming the old people in the room. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, Dan, and then we got Dan too. Me and Dan go way back. Bunch of old farts when dirt was discovered. Well, did we try to get this swing on the NQ? It's not as pretty as the first one was. They're just jumping out. The trade's just jumping out immediately. I mean, I'm looking at this. I mean, it makes that little M on the small tick chart and jumps right in there, and then comes back and takes stops. I'm not a fan of that this morning. The first trade was the right idea on the NQ and ES that's short, and now this one's harder to get into. Again, same thing, little M on the smaller tick chart. Now it's turning into chop. I mean, it still says the short. Man, why am I not pulling the trigger this morning, though, Brian? I like that one better, the first one. If you want to look at it, that's now. See, that's crazy. They couldn't even go sell stop in on that. There you go. Target's off if you got it. That's a short though. I'm just guess I'm gonna be a commentator this morning and not get trades in. I almost was just so close to putting that sell stop in right there. So close. Two trades missed. Look at me. It's all right. Yesterday was a pretty nice day. I'll take my $4 grand from yesterday and be happy with it. I'll just be ecstatic about my $4 grand yesterday. Hey, the day before that, I was like negative $45. I was pretty much break even. But the day before that, so this week's P&L for me is something like what? 12, 1, nothing, 4. So close to about a bit over 6,000 so far this week. That's not a horrible week, is it, Paul? It's not a horrible week, right? At the end
Uh,
across all the
I'm
accounts.
sorry, I'm not. I
About 6 grand over all accounts this week. That's not horrible. Like I said, that was a short on RTY. Couldn't get it. Couldn't get into it. That was like I said, it was short on CL. Couldn't get into that. There's not a spot I would want to take that on CL. Maybe you could have put the sell stop in below this little ledge here. Knew that was a short there on the CL. Just don't have a spot. I'm trying to take clean trades this week, and you've had a couple clean ones on the ES, a couple clean ones on the NQ, but nothing else has been clean. A little bit lower down here on RTY. I will look for the long on the RTY down there. And this should be a long coming up here on the ES. Man, that little tickle in my throat won't go away. I get well. I think I'm gonna try for this long. It's gonna go without me again. I'm slow this morning. What's wrong with me? I'm just jumping on stuff. Yesterday, there's your long. Again, not the greatest setup, but that's it. Just above the pivot would be your entry. It's all right. I'll get a trade. Now GC might actually be setting up for something that I like. That actually might be something that I would look at on GC. Then that would be a big. It's not that bad. I'm looking at the small tick chart again. I'm not pulling the trigger on things, but that was definitely long. Just that's just. I think the candles are a little too big for my long on GC. I think I need them just a little bit smaller, just to not take that risk. I can't take that kind of pucker factor right there. That would be too much. Now CL on the other hand, I will look at this CL if it stays down there. And this is a level I have. I like that. RTY, like I said, I want it to be a little bit lower on RTY for the long, so I'm gonna pass on this one. I'm gonna let it go a little bit lower down here. Um, get myself in order this morning. Yeah, that's past that GC. Get GC get a little bit further down, then we can look at the long on that. CL. Where's my entry on CL? Do I just go in at the market now on it? Um, I like the spot on CL. I really do like the spot for long. Um, Let me see if I'm gonna put a buy stop in for it. It didn't set up exactly the way I wanted it to on the small tick chart or the big tick chart. Well, it set up pretty good on the big tick chart. We should be able to get a target out of this. Should be able to get a target out of it. Where it came from. That should be, yeah, we should be able to get a target out of it at least. Let's see. There you go. There's your CL long. That was at 33. Yay. I made a good trade. I've done good. Pat me on the back, somebody, please. All right, let's reduce some risk. Get our stop up here. That's where it just jumped to. Guaranteed at least break even trade. Paid for my commissions and stuff now. I think I'm gonna go ticker two tighter on that. Now we can look at this RTY. Somebody keep an eye on that. You can't trade at all, can you, Paul?
No. I mean, I
Yeah.
can, but I'm busy doing this stuff.
Oh yeah, do that.
Just,
Well, you're
oh,
dealing with data
no, that's
issues.
just it. I don't need to be doing this stuff.
But you're dealing with data issues, right?
No, I'm dealing with admin issues.
Oh, we'll take turns.
Given a new 3 week sign up, but that's
That
why.
GC long is setting up. Man, do I really? Can I target higher on CL here? Not much, huh? That's about where we should be targeting. Get a stop up here a little bit on CL, and let's see what we'll think about this for a second. Probably should have a Yeah, I'm gonna leave my stop back just a couple ticks there. Let's think about this for a minute. Because here, RTY just dumped below where I wanted to buy it from.
All right.
I mean, that's about the target on CL. I mean, unless we're gonna be really aggressive and go for those highs back there. I think we got a pretty good target there. Maybe we're a little aggressive on target. Not worried about it coming back on me there. If it comes back, oh well. Squeeze it, do a little squeeze play here. Get up to 65. And let her play out from there. Again, that's the GC long. It's just not my setup yet. I'm gonna wait just a little bit longer on that. Didn't quite get a good setup here on the ES on the long side. NQ's looking a little better. You'd have to have a buy stop above that midpoint of that candle there. But if that did break, well, this is a decent little range. So if that turned around, that would be a decent little long. That's about the best stop I can think of for the CL, unless that's a couple ticks tighter. I I'm considering this NQ long, very seriously considering that. We probably do need to go just a tick tighter on that CL stop. And there you go, GC is breaking down. That makes me kind of worried on taking this long on the NQ here, but
Yes, the NQ's looking kind of short there.
yeah, I think I'm
Momentum's
gonna
pushing
let this.
down.
I think I'm gonna let this ES since I didn't get the ES long. I'll probably let the ES get overbought then short it.
There's your gold.
I mean, I wanted long down here. I just don't like the price action.
There's your long on the ES. I mean the NQ, excuse me.
Yeah, I called that long. I think I talked myself into waiting for the short here, which is my original thought process this morning anyway. Was to short the rallies.
I caught it and I hit the buy button.
Good.
How's
All right.
that
Well, you got targets
doing?
off and free trades too now,
And
don't you?
yes, multitasking.
Yeah, it's good
Yeah,
work
no,
from
I
time
got
to
it.
time.
I
Ah,
got
flat,
target.
flat on the CL
All
trade.
right. Some of that back. That was good.
Good little CL trade. Again, I would think that the rally for the short would be the better option. Like I said, on NQ, ES, everything, rally for short would be a better option. It's making it kind of hard
I
to
want
look for
that.
the RTY long.
I want that freaking GC, man. That's the one I want to catch. Look at that. That was a nice long up there at 9:35, right at the open, huh? I mean short, excuse me, long short. That'd have been a week done trade.
Um, yeah. I mean, everything, like I said, everything. I wanted to be in the shorts, but so freaking hard to get in. I missed my good opportunity on the original short on the NQ and ES, and not going to be a novice and chase it. There is a long setting up on RTY, like I keep saying, but do I think that's the play to take? I mean, you probably could make some money on it if you put the buy stop up here. It just seems like the shorts are the way to go right now.
Definitely got a long setting up out of a zone here
Yeah,
on
I mean, it's a
RTY.
long setup. I just,
But
I
like the
can't.
real long would be above like 34.4.
Yeah, you'd have to be maybe even higher, maybe even like 35.2 or whatever that high is up there.
Yeah, so your risk is going to be bigger
I
on that.
know, but that would be the safest entry. Yeah, like 30, whatever that high. What's the high there? That's 34.5. So 30. Yeah, you're right. 34.6 would have to be your like entry,
Yeah, that's your real entry.
unless you took a
Now on a
chance on a
smaller
break in
chart,
here.
yeah, I was thinking on a smaller chart. No, not really.
About the same thing, right?
34.6. No, it's the same thing. Like
33.3,
maybe
maybe a point lower.
33.3 right
Yeah,
now. Like right now, literally,
it's
if
not
you
my
want it.
trade, so
Take it
I'm
if
just
you
trying
want
to
it.
talk you guys if somebody wanted it. I mean, you're probably gonna get targets off.
Well, you got targets off if you took it right when I said right now.
I, I, I'm gonna lean
There
towards
you
this
go.
getting overbought and
And
going
there's your
short.
break of where the true entry is.
The new people are gonna be like, these guys
These guys
don't
are
trade.
crazy.
These
These guys are
guys don't
crazy.
trade.
Rattling things off. Hey,
If you're here
who cares if
yesterday,
we
you
don't
seen
trade as long as we're
plenty of
telling you to
trades.
take the right trades?
These guys don't trade. I'm picky on my trades. I'm just gonna people that have been around me know I'm pretty picky
Well,
on my trades. I'm not gonna like.
when you have issues in the morning and your charts at randomly fire off trades and you lose money, you get a little cautious.
Yeah,
So
that's
I'm
true.
I'm so old. I
I
remember
didn't
when
have
dirt
that
was
issue.
discovered. Dan, did I miss something about old people? I see PBR. Where's PBR? Speaking of old,
Oh, I said
what's
we got some
PBR?
old. We have some old members and new members, and I was asking Gabe if he's somebody that's old or new
Uh,
to us, and I was like, and they're actually old people too, so they're old members.
oh, they're old members. Oh, it's a
Hey, PBR, you
geriatric.
got the RTY long. Good job, buddy.
Cool, PBR. Good job.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, it was a good
It's
setup
a valid,
coming right
again,
out of one of my
valid
zones.
setup. It's
So
just not what I wanted this morning.
yeah,
I want that. I want that 2 candle, 3 candle setup where the price stops in one spot. I mean, you guys know what I'm looking for. I want that trade back here that I should have taken on the ES.
I want that perfect trade.
That's what I want. I mean, I've had this like what 60 something $100 week. It's been, let's see, 4 yesterday, 2, no, almost a 7,000. Yeah, a little bit over, probably 6,500 bucks for the week. I'm gonna be cautious on Friday. I'm not giving any of that money back. Call me crazy,
Call
but
me crazy.
this might set up here, and this is where it came from before. This was the high. This was the trade it came from before. Um, I would entertain this sell stop here on the ES. Now I definitely would entertain it. Putting something in there. That's a low of 78.75, so 78.50, and then I'm gonna try to
What's
do this.
86?
I think if we do that same thing here, blow this wick on the NQ,
I like it better at
on the smaller. It's
86.
starting to set up an M though, right?
And Q's starting to set up an M now, yeah.
Yeah. Um,
So your entry would
I'm gonna
be,
put that in just below that M. I'm gonna tell
let
you
me
though,
think.
if it wicks me in and doesn't take a target right away, I'm gonna pansy out of that and not go
Yeah,
again.
the only thing
That's all.
about
That's
that,
all there is to it.
it looks a little suspect on the NQ. Now the ES looks,
I'd give them just a second longer, but they look okay. Okay, let's see. Should get targets pretty quick. There you go. Okay. Come back, get my stop. There you go. Target stop immediately. Boom, shoot, shoot. In, out, like a scout. Maybe I should try that back again. That's what I don't like about this price action this morning. I mean, it says you should be in that short
now you're good on the NQ, I think.
to continue down.
It's got a, the problem is it's right here. Yeah, I think you got target off, right?
Huh?
You got your
No,
target off on
yeah.
the NQ.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
it came back, took my stop, and I did it on different. I did it on a different account now. And it's gonna come back and get my stop again anyway. I got a target. It's got to go now though.
It's going to go. Look,
There we
no,
go.
never mind.
Okay, never
Never mind.
mind. No,
Never
see,
mind.
this is it. Screw that.
Yeah, that's
No,
just
not
tricky
doing
price
it.
action.
Yeah, I'm not doing this.
Yeah. At least they're just break even trades or
Yeah,
small winners.
yeah. Small loss, small win.
You're not risking much.
No, I'm not. There's nothing I'm really getting hurt on here. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep. I mean, I'm gonna keep it tight this morning. Keep it real tight. RTY's actually setting up for a decent little short. It's coming off of 89 on the lower tick chart. That's something I might actually take a look at here. That would be a sell stop at
Yep.
um
37-1.
yeah, not quite overbought, but it's a trade that says it should work.
I got it. Target's off.
There we go. Boom.
Target's off. I got it. I got in right away, right when I said that.
Let's see if maybe it
Now
won't come
run
back
down,
take my
baby.
stop. Let me get this account on it. Let me get this other account on it real quick. It's at 47. Yeah, I got that.
There we
Got
go.
got it on another account. Couldn't get this one switched over fast enough, so maybe it won't take my target before I can switch
There
it to
we
the right
go.
account.
There we go. Like when things work out. Quick little RTY trade.
Yeah, two targets. Let's see if it see if it keeps running. Um, there we go.
All right, Dave. Are you green or red with that loss?
Uh, yeah, nothing's finishing today.
Oh, that's not
Nothing's
bad. You can get that back easy.
nothing's finishing today. Yeah, I'm again. All right. This is convincing me more and more that I may just take very few trades today with the perfect setup. That was not a bad
Hmm.
setup on RTY though. I
No,
mean,
it's a
just
good trade.
didn't
I,
quite get overbought
I'm
where I
slowly
wanted it, but
crawling out of this hole that Rhythmic put me in. I'm green in two of the accounts, so keep ticking them off
this
one at a
and
time.
again, I keep saying this area from yesterday and the day before up here, back here, I'm a short. I'm looking for shorts up here. This
That
the
ES.
higher this gets, the
Uh,
more like even if we get.
69.90 right
I
here
was
is an
gonna say
area
if
where I have,
yeah, I,
but then again, you got to worry about 7,000, that
I'd
psychological
like
number up there. So
yeah. So I was looking at
yeah,
somewhere around 98.
okay. But
That's
this is an
where I
area
think
where I have an area. This could at least pull back.
a
I'm
good
not
short
saying in
area, right?
reverse.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a good short area, like literally
and
setting up.
one spitting twice shy right now, but
We're
that's
gonna.
not a bad
I'm
short. And
gonna
the
try.
NQ,
Yeah, that's a good
you'd
good
have to
short
be
right
in on
here.
the NQ. The NQ, you'd want to be in at like 896. All right, you had just gotten wicked in probably.
Target's off on that ES short. If
Did you do
anybody
it?
took it, I did.
Good for
It was
you.
right in my zone. I had to
Good
take
for
it,
you.
and
Okay.
it's set up. All right, that's another account green. Little by little, I'm getting out of this hole.
Just little by little, little by little.
They're
All
not green by
right.
much, but they're green. I'll take it. Yeah, and I think that's about all the pullback you're going to get on the ES. This is going up. NQ's long. It's NQ's momentum is
Did
up.
you help Bo
So,
out? Did you?
yeah, yeah. Well, let me see. He's
That's
messaging. Let me
okay.
see.
This
It's
might
been
actually be my setup on the on gold. Let me. This actually might be my setup on GC. Ooh, get there quick enough, Brian.
all right, let's go. Let
Can't
me get Bo in here.
can't get my. Uh I don't know which account I'm on. Couple candles, couple wicks. I have to go in under that last candle. Is that is that is that worth taking a look at, GC? That's a trade though. It wasn't quite at my level though. No, I gotta get it a little bit higher. I need to get a little bit higher on that gold. I'm being extremely picky. I'm being extremely picky. I mean, you probably get a target if you take that gold trade. You should be in it right now, though. And this look how hard this is to stay in, even if you did take that short on the NQ and ES. That's almost impossible to stay in. Well, these pushbacks up, pushbacks up, pushbacks up. Gotta take a quick phone call. Be right back.
All right. Sorry, guys. A little distracted this morning. Actually, a lot distracted this morning, not a little. Which means I probably shouldn't be trading.
Okay. Okay. Didn't really miss much while I stepped away, or while you stepped away.
Yeah.
Had the RTY long. Not trading this crap on the NQ and ES right now, that's for sure.
No, it's settled into garbage.
And it
Although,
keeps doing, this is the other thing. This happened, it keeps settling into like a chop range area and then stepping up, settling into a chop range area, then stepping up, settling in the chop range area, stepping up, settling in the chop range area. Uh, it's been doing that for a couple weeks now. And the level that it keeps chopping in and out of keeps changing just slightly higher every time. I don't know if that means anything, but it could be a short. I do ask any new people that participate in chat, like Gabe, do you give us feedback when you spend a day or two with us? Let us know if you like the setup, what we're doing. If there's anything you want training on, Gabe, let us know. We'll talk about it. Stuff like that. Things, things that help. If Gabe's still here, I don't know. Did he come through the new link? Did Gabe come to the new link or the old one? Do we know?
I don't know. I have no clue.
No clue.
When you
All
sign up.
right. STL Tom. O'Brien. I don't know what's going on here. STL Tom. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, all right. Well, I gotta go through all this stuff that I'm not doing now. Artur Z, come on in. Did you know they do Prices Right at night now? I didn't realize that.
What do you mean at night?
They call it Prices Right at night. I'm like, what? Instead of in the morning. I don't know.
Yes, it worked. The new link. Okay.
I might actually watch it knowing it's at night.
Price is Right.
Good old Drew
Price is
Carey.
Right. Evening edition. Oh, is it Drew
Yeah,
Carey?
they call it Prices Right at night. This should be Prices Right. Prices Right. Like, still just Prices Right. All right. This should work. The new link. Hey, Dave. All right. Thank you. Got that done. Just need to know if Gabe used
Oh,
the
that's
new
right. Yeah,
link.
Dave tried it out yesterday, didn't he?
Yeah. I just need to
Yeah.
know if
Now, if I can
Gabe,
get Bo in here, we'd be okay.
get old Bo in.
I mean, he signed up, but I don't think he knows where he's at. He can't get into the room.
Mm-mm-mm. Make sure he still has with that verification thing might still be on.
Can you check that out? I don't know.
Make
How
sure
do
he's
you do that?
verified, I guess.
I don't even want to need that anymore.
We'll talk about it in
We'll
a little
figure it
bit.
out.
We'll
We'll figure it
get
out.
Bo straightened out. Where did he put that in the admin?
No, he's messaging me. All right. I'll have to give him a break for a second. Let me see if I can grab a trade here. Ugh. There's our GC short. Missed it again. Dang it. That would have worked too.
Oh, that wasn't my
Right at
setup.
the 89.
I just kept saying, I was looking at that before, and I was like, having a hard time pulling the trigger on the price action with that. I mean, that was definitely a setup GC.
It is because it's right at the brand. It's right at the 89.
If it breaks
Yeah.
lower, it's gone. I don't know. Until we get a decent swing on CL, I just can't take that short on GC. Maybe if it comes down and we get decent long, I'll look at that. Again, the shorts, I keep saying the shorts are the way to go here on the ES and NQ and RTY, which we did try the RTY short. We just got pulled back and taken a stop. I mean, that trade's not easy to stay in. Look at this small tick chart RTY trade. You're telling me
Yeah.
you could have the brass to stay all the way through that?
That's
If
a
you
tough one.
can, you're either crazy or know something I don't know because I can't stand that. I'm gonna lean toward crazy if that's a trade you can stay in, or you just got a big account. I mean, but most people are trading prop accounts these days, so that's not a prop account trade. And it's tanking. I mean, again, I'm calling the shorts. There's nothing I can take, Paul. I
I
can't.
hear you. This is not anything. No, nothing
Yeah,
for me at least.
that's what I say. I mean, maybe I'll look for a clean long. I'm not as super excited about the longs. That's not a clean long. A V bottom on the little tick chart. It is a level though. Okay. Not maybe setting up for a little bit of long here. I could possibly look at that. You're running into the pivot. No, I'm filled now already. Maybe we go get me a target. Go get me a target. Let's go. Put that target down that pivot. Stupid pivot. It's gonna give me a poker factor trade. I still think the short's the way to go. I'm gonna do the same thing I did earlier. Take a loss on this trade. Yep, never mind. There you go. That's not trading that account again today. All right, I'm not doing this. I am. Let's see here. Yeah, couldn't do that. Not touching that account. All right. Well, that's me.
Where can NQ come
Me
to? You're
getting
about to get a Crable break on
this
NQ.
is
Come
me
down here.
getting extremely cautious here.
Don't get too cautious. You're about to get a Crable break.
Well, I don't like it when my
Think
trades
you're
don't work out.
right here,
Yeah,
right
okay,
there.
good. Take it. I'm not doing
Fair enough.
it. I mean, I'm not trying to be a jerk about it,
Fair
but
enough. No, I hear you. I know the feel. Trust me, I know the feeling.
I'm down 600. I'm down 600 something dollars so far, all across accounts. It's not that bad. Yeah, about 600. About yeah, not quite 550. That's not a little bit over 500. It's not horrible, and it's only on across two accounts, so I'm not like that concerned about it.
I mean,
But
there he goes. Come on,
I
baby,
was just gonna be
go,
cautious.
go. I had to take it. All right, fifth account green now. I gotta come slowly but surely
Look
getting
at
all these
you.
damn things back,
Right.
one at a time.
Look at you.
Yeah, that was.
I
I
don't know
like
why
that Crable setup.
I keep saying short all morning. I try to take that long like a dummy.
You try to, yeah, you try to counter trend it.
Into yeah. Well, I mean, the trend was up.
I mean, you were looking short.
It
I
was
agreed with you
up,
on shorts, and that Crable set
and
up
I was
nicely.
looking at the
So,
shorts. I just what I should have done is what I did yesterday and said, you know what? If the buy signal fails, take the short. That would have been. Was that a Crable for the ES as well? No, not
I
Crable,
don't
but
know. Was it?
Crable did
No. Yeah,
make
yeah, yeah. It is. It is.
Crable down here though. That was 1002.
69, 69.60 was the Crable. So it just broke.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Well, that's fine. Again, been a good week. Not gonna run it on a Friday. Take the perfect trade next at the next account. Rotate through the accounts. Take the next trade. There's two on the same account, aren't they? Yeah, can't have you two on the same account. Cannot do that. Put you on that account.
I like NQ around 705 if it gets down there. That's a,
Can't trade that
is that,
account anymore.
of
What'd
course,
you
we're right
say?
here at a. I was saying I like NQ down at 705, but we're at
For
right
a
here
long?
is a pretty. Yeah, but here's a support right now, literally right at this.
Okay. You're trying to get me to take another long trade?
No, I'm not telling you to take anything. I'm just looking. I'm talking out loud, just trying to get my bearings because I'm not really
Alright.
have not been paying attention. I mean, I'm just listening to you in one ear and trying to do something in another ear and taking a trade here and there. Very distracted. Got the London. Mm, it's hard to long this thing though. Very hard.
Oh, well, hold on a second. Let's do
Yes,
this. Let's look at what, do something to distract me from this. Let's look at our, uh,
it's
drop
long.
from yesterday, where those strategic areas were, and see if we're.
What are you looking at? Yes, yeah, yes.
So, back up to where the 89 is on
Long.
the big tick chart right now would be a great area for a short. Um, Lower than this after yesterday's morning first rundown. God, these were just beautiful shorts yesterday. Lower than right here, we can start looking to. I would be entertained, Paul. I would definitely. This is the same rule I gave yesterday. Below this area, I would entertain a, a bear flag on the big tick chart. What do you think?
I mean, it sets up.
That's the same. It's the
You have to take
same
it.
rule I gave us for yesterday. Same rule I gave us for yesterday. Because we were looking back at this stuff here. I still think we have the same. Yeah, we do that same rule. Bear flag sets up, take it. AKA if a failed long happens, like it just happened to Brian, take the short.
And Q setting up for a long. I know that's not what you want to hear, but
No,
it
no,
is.
I can hear anything you want to say. It's not gonna hurt my feelings.
Yes.
You can call me a nanny potty poo poo pants if you want to.
Not that. That's extreme. I gotta.
Steel time.
And there it is. I told you.
That's
It was had a good level right here. So, but again, can't fault anybody for not taking that long.
No, no.
I did take it though. All right, another one green. It's like I was little by little. I'm gonna get these things ticked off. Get all these freaking accounts back. Nothing like
Huh?
having to dig out of a hole on a Friday
Looks like
morning.
new Gabe came in, made some money, and took off.
Yeah, New Gabe said, "I
Bo
got my
got
money." Bo,
okay. Bo got back in. All right.
Bo's in.
Yeah. So I guess he went through the new link you gave him.
Bo, are you in? Say something, Bo.
You
Make me
want
feel better. Make me
chat in
make me know
here?
all that hard work I did worked out.
Yeah, chat in the main room here if you don't mind, Bo.
I don't know, Bo. All
Yeah.
right, so I can
Glad you got back
close
in.
that.
I don't know why it didn't rebill you, but should be set up
That's all.
now.
A lot of people got that problem.
Yeah.
So
No,
some of
we
you
told
might
everybody.
some of you might get booted.
Oh,
Don't take
he
it
texted.
personal.
Yeah. Okay. He
Nobody's
went to.
booting you out. It's just we had some.
It was a vendor.
Again, we're
It was
two
a
normal dudes
payment vendor
trading,
issue.
not two tech dudes trading. Oh crap! I didn't move my stop on that. All right, let me move it up. Where
I'm
do I
gonna
want
ask
it?
him. He
I
sent
gotta
me a
get out.
message. Is the new process easy, Bo? He just sent me a message.
It should have been easy.
I think it
Dave said it
was.
was easy. I did it. I
Yeah,
tried it
it
yesterday
seemed
and it
like it
worked
was pretty easy.
flawlessly. So,
Oh, good. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Now he just started a 7-day free trial
uh,
over. Is that what happened?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm
I
assuming
had
the
to.
same thing happened to Dave as well. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
Dave.
Good.
The same thing for Dave.
All right,
Is the
there
pro
you guys go.
room
You got
easier? Is the
new
pro
free
room
seven
easier to
days.
monetize versus Discord? I mean, we just don't understand Discord, Dave. I mean, we just the truth. We're just newbies to Discord. So I'm sure. I
Well,
mean,
all
no,
right.
I'm not
No, you got
sure.
to think about what
It
we
is.
had before. What we had before was a long established training process that we rolled into a trading room. So that was just the platform we had, and we had vendors set up. Our payment vendors were through specific
Yeah,
hard
everything was
like
all
stuff.
just flawlessly set up.
Yeah, it was everything we had before
Oh
was
yeah, big time
expensive,
pricey.
expensive.
Yeah,
we
it's
had all
very
we had
pricey.
the Cadillac of stuff.
Yeah.
Now we're driving around this little Ford Pinto. That's
I'd
gonna
say a
it
Ford
works.
Pinto.
It's not a Pinto.
I'd
The
just
point
say
I'm trying to make
it's
is
just a good Honda Accord.
it's a highly customizable Jeep. We just have factory
There we
settings on
go.
it right now.
Oh,
It's highly
Jeeps
customized.
aren't very affordable though. Jeeps are gas hogs and garbage.
No, we decided Discord because it's just where everybody's going these days. It's just the
Yeah, everybody's
easiest.
on Discord.
Everybody's on Discord, so that's what we decided
Depends
to
on how
do.
many people you have, Dave. PTR can get pretty expensive depending on your
Yeah,
membership.
that's. I mean, part of the reason we had to charge the prices we did is because of all the shit we had to pay for.
And all we want to do is trade.
That's all we want to do is trade.
Y'all can listen. We trade.
All right. Is he responding?
We all just want to watch Brian lose money today.
Yeah, yeah. That's. I'm doing pretty good at it.
Got that down to an art.
I got that down today. So
I'm going to catch
you
this
watched
gold
it.
before the day's over. You wait.
You could make some popcorn and watch me make money yesterday though. I printed
That's
that
true.
shit. Printed it. Printed that money yesterday. All right. Eyes peeled for a good ES short, NQ short, and
I like the idea
RTY,
of the ES short.
CL. There's all four are going to be getting up here, setting up for a decent short here. Pick the one. Pick your poison. Pick the one you want to take. CL, RTY, NQ, ES. I, I, this is what I'm gonna do one time in my cash account with 6E because I like it so much. Is I am going to get one of those positions
And
early in
let
the
it run.
evening, or the ones that run like, what was that one last week that just runs and just leave a huge stop? Yeah, like this, like get in this long somewhere and just leave a big stop and let it keep running for me. I'm gonna do that in my cash one day. Now that I'm really comfortable with 6E. All right, let's keep our eyes open.
I'm looking. I am looking.
Yeah, no, I mean, for we this is a good decision for everybody when we moved over here.
86.
It just makes sense, and dollars. All right,
Well, it allows us to keep it cheap for people, so people
it
can
allows
don't
us
have
to
to pay
keep
an arm and a
trading,
leg.
keep it cheap for you
Lets
guys.
lets us trade.
Just better all around. We just us being normal dudes, not tech dudes, just need some time
A
to get
small
used
learning
to.
curve. Y'all
A
gonna
little
have to
bit of
bear with
a.
us. Damn it.
All right. Let's look for the short. I really,
I'm
really, really
looking.
like
I'm
it.
looking.
I'd like it to be a little bit higher, but
I was just about to say that. I like it around the 86 area at least, which we're
get
gonna
up
get
here.
anyway. So
Yeah, let's see it get up
we're gonna
there.
get it.
NQ's
Let's see
gonna
if it
get up
gets all
there
the
and
way up to my 90.
try to get a good one.
I'd be all over that up there. 90. See, 31 on the NQ is another good area, right around the pivot.
I say anywhere from like 15 to 31
hmm
to the pivot. Yeah, anywhere in that area. Even almost anything higher than where it's at right now. If I start getting some wick, if I get a wick or something, might be getting a setup here on RTY.
Right at VWAP, so I like
Did you
it.
say you didn't eat meatloaf? What'd you say?
I didn't. I didn't eat meatloaf. That and VWAP.
uh, what was it? What's,
Now here's something to think about on the NQ. Break above pivot is a crable up. So does it just go?
on what now?
Um, on NQ, above the pivots is a crable break.
But this is a short right here. Oh, get in
I
it. Just
do
get
don't
in it, Brian.
disagree.
What is wrong with you?
I'm gonna pass
Should have
on this
should
one, I
have
think.
should have been in that. Should have
Yeah.
had that ready to go. Well, I don't know. I guess you would probably have to look at this at like at,
Oh,
at
yeah,
like
I did.
it'd have to be at like
Where
two.
is that?
What's that low there? 82.25. So it'd be 82 is a real entry on that one. So like right now would be the entry, but I just don't know. Um, RTY is trying to set up for the short. RTY. Do we want to look at this? No, maybe.
Uh,
Oh goodness gracious.
no, going up. I'm telling you, this is done. Well,
Well,
I don't know. We're in an area here on RTY where it reacted before, so but it's been tested. I don't know. Don't have a lot of warm fuzzies, but you're
still the short on the
getting a
ES.
short on the yes, yeah, exactly. I mean, a break
So
below
maybe, yeah, you'd have to sell stop right
81,
here. What is that
80,
short? What
80,
is that
75,
low?
80, 75,
80.75, so 80.50.
80, 50. Yeah.
This is
You're
the
not going to
area I
get
wanted
this.
to.
I'm telling you, this is
This
going
is
up.
the area I wanted to sell it from. So okay, yeah, it's probably is going up. Probably.
Uh-huh. I don't know. Took the RTY long in at 28 out of 40. Nice. PBR, man, you get a couple good days you put together, haven't you?
I, I mean, again, this is a level that I'd like to short from. So I don't. I mean, talk myself out of every trade and take the ones that give me the hit today.
Yeah, you called like 4 bangers this morning.
I know, right?
It
Give
didn't take
everybody
any.
else the trades.
Ooh, you have got some big ones, brother. You trading
Who?
silver? Dang.
He's a
Hey,
YOLO trading today, I guess.
be careful. You talk about handing you your lunch real quick. That's a
Oof.
big boy trade there. No,
Yeah, you
thank you.
gotta do that right.
I will not touch silver.
Did he put your winning
What
trades
am I?
in the winning trades channel?
Does everybody do that? Yeah, let's put your P&Ls in the winning trades. Put them
I'm
in
not
there.
going
Load
to.
them
I'm
up.
embarrassed of mine today.
Maybe you should put our losses up there too so people can see we're human. Yeah, dude. Yeah, your silver, that's they're at close to halting it anyways, aren't they? Isn't it? I haven't checked it, but I don't trade it, so. All right, here we go on NQ now. Now we're getting up here in short territory.
You won't quote the P&L from silver? Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem
Well,
with silver,
all
man.
right, Paul.
Not yet.
You tell
It's
me
going
when to take it.
it'll set up.
I'll tell
It'll
everybody
set
else when
up.
to take a trade today, and you tell me when to take a trade. How about that?
That sounds good to me.
This is like a
But it will
weird.
set up. Gonna set up. Oh yeah. I meant to remind everybody about what Tom said. Yeah, you guys saw
What's
what
that?
Tom said, right? About getting into the member meetup. I think that's a
Oh yeah, you guys
really
need to be
excellent
going into
idea.
the member meetup.
Yeah, you guys need to take
Public
advantage of
service
that for real.
public service announcement. If you lose access, just message us. Message admin.
And
We had
since
a payment vendor
faux pas,
issue.
faux pas,
So if you're on trial or newer and you don't get in come Monday, it's not a big deal. Just message us and we'll get you the link to get in.
nothing personal. We
It
didn't
ain't against you. It
cut
ain't
you.
against you.
Yeah,
I can promise you that.
don't get all ups. Don't get hurt. It's a safe space here. We're all good.
All right, short this or no? Did we do it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I get the green light?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Dude, I don't like it.
Huh?
I don't like it. I don't like it, Brian.
Okay.
You know what though? No. I think below we could take it. I think below
Below this
that
little
that
shelf that's here,
yeah, that little shelf.
like right there. I mean,
Yep.
I'd look at that on the NQ as well.
I don't know what what's scaring me is the NQ.
What? What's scaring you about
There we
that?
go. There we go. There we
There's a
go.
target. That's how it
Boom. Target
works.
off. Target off,
Maybe that's
baby.
all we get, but
I don't see we're gonna get much more. The NQ's still going up, so that's the only problem. I don't think we're gonna get much more than this. That's all right. Another little scalp. Come on, break. There we go. Heck, we don't know what we're doing. Come on.
well, maybe we'll get something out of it.
Yeah, it doesn't matter either way. It's free trade one way or another, so I'm not
Yeah.
stressed out about it. There we go.
Keep going,
Come on.
baby.
If this NQ can turn, we're good.
If the
And it's
NQ
trying
breaks
to.
down,
Yep. And
well,
it's about to,
this
so
thing
we're
closed
good.
down. So
We're
if it
good.
closes down, you're in good shape.
We're
Sixty
good. Went one
ticks,
little area
70
right here.
ticks.
We
There
got
it
to get through
goes.
this area. There you go.
Boom.
Another
Get
winner,
down
winner,
to
winner.
break even on the CS short.
Yeah, don't give any of that back because it can come back and get you
That
quick.
was 26 on the ES short.
Here we go. You guys get this? We did talk about it.
I got a target off on the NQ as well there, buddy.
I didn't catch the NQ. I was scared because the
I did
NQ was
both of
still
them. I had to
NQ
get
was still
both of them.
long. Yeah,
Well,
you
the
got
setup on the
some
small
guts
tick
on that
chart
one.
looked exactly the same as a small tick chart. Now this is going to come down all the way and get my
It's okay.
target.
I'll take this trade on the ES and be
This is the
happy.
trade I've been waiting on all morning. Let me try to get this on
Yeah.
the other
Dave
chart
caught
on the
it.
right
Good.
account.
Dave, did you get that loss back? You
Thank
got
you,
your
Dave.
loss back, right? You're
Thank
good
you.
now. Yeah, Dave's all right. Dave
There
doesn't
we
need
go.
any help.
Target's off. ES and NQ free trade. I'm gonna bring this down to above this last wick here. I'm pretty much there on the NQ. Let's go a tick or two lower.
Look at you grab that NQ.
I told you I was gonna do the
I
ES and
didn't.
NQ at the same time. I said it.
I was
I
looking at
said
it.
it.
It was. I was scared about the ES because the NQ was still momentum up. So I was like, if this NQ doesn't turn, we're
Well,
not
I
gonna
always
make it.
go under the flip side of that. When the ES makes a trade, I take the NQ trade.
Yeah, but that's why when you were
Usually.
asking Shuey, I'm like, yeah, take it. It's
Okay,
like,
well, hey, thanks.
I
You
don't know.
got
I
me in
don't
a
know.
winning trade.
It's like, I don't know. Why are you asking me? Damn it.
You're supposed to be the guru. There's no
No, I don't
gurus
know.
here, boy.
No,
Ain't
hell
no
no.
guru.
Ain't no gurus in this place.
Ain't no
I take my
guru.
share of
I'm
losses just
just
like everybody else.
looking at the chart and seeing what the chart says. Do we get back to the bottom of this range? Is that a too aggressive a target?
I like where your target is on the yes. That's where mine's at.
I
But
like
but
that
then now
target,
here's the
but
deal. 48. 48 is VWAP, so it might want to push. It might want VWAP
on NQ.
on ES.
What's the NQ view up?
VWAP. I mean on NQ. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Sorry,
that's
you're
what I
right.
was
Yes,
saying. I think we
48
need
on
to
NQ.
target this pivot down here and squeeze our stop a little bit.
But it's got to get to its 89 is the problem on the
I
smaller chart.
mean,
We'll see.
right here.
We'll see.
But if it pushes through it, okay, maybe I should just take a target then. That'd be on me.
Just
That'd be
tighten it up a
silly.
little. Don't give any of that, too much of that back.
Go down a couple more ticks here. It'd be fancy if this just finished.
If this just breaks down, you're golden. If
Yeah,
that breaks down, you just need to move that target because
yeah.
then it's at least coming to the
I think we
pivot.
gotta bring our stop a little bit more. I mean, there's another stop looking back
Oh,
here.
winner, winner,
Wick
chicken
here,
dinner,
so.
people.
Oh, it's gonna get my target right away, man.
Get the hell out of the way. Get that out of the
This is
way.
the.
Okay, there you
I
go.
told you we should be targeting the bottom of this thing. Maybe we go
Dave, you're still
all
in
the way
this, right,
down.
Dave? You didn't get out yet, did you?
There's a beaut.
He's still in it. I'm sure he's still in it.
Stay in it, guys.
Look at that. $1,000 on the freaking NQ. 500. Okay.
I'm not done.
You're still in the
Got my
ES. Yeah, I'm
target.
just in the ES too. I didn't catch.
I'm gonna take this target right here, real quick. Keep me up.
I had a
720.
target. I had a
720.
target at the pivot. I'm flat.
I didn't want it coming back on me on the PA counts. Now again, I'll look to get back in this if it makes well, that makes up for those losses this morning, doesn't it?
It doesn't take but one trade.
That makes up for those losses.
This thing's not done. We should have held it.
No, I know. That's
This
the trade I
thing's not
wanted,
done.
and I thought that was going to be a massive one. Great trade. I mean, again,
I
$1,000. I mean, he was
like
going
I
to be
said,
upset
if
with
it breaks
that.
this pivot, it wants VWAP on ES. So
I was expecting a little bit of a bounce here, like a little tick chart, smaller tick chart, buy sell signal, let it rally up, use this smaller tick chart to get back in.
little rally up. Let's see
Holy
what happens
crap,
here. We get
Tony.
a VWAP bounce.
PBR.
What?
He texted me his playing with fire on that one, buddy. PBR.
Dave. If I can get a runner, it helps. Yeah. I tell you, that's a good
Yeah,
trade.
no, 80% of trades
80%?
don't grow the wings
Don't.
just like
No, they
you
don't
said it
run.
just exactly right. And I'm the guy that's always like, no, this one's gonna run, this one's gonna run. It doesn't do. I'm just like the eternal optimist on the runners, and But we just got one. That's called a runner, people. This is we used to celebrate
Chicken.
run. That's called a runner. We'll do this. Wake everybody up. Stretch hates this. Good job, guys. How many people call it that? So any piece of that short, those shorts, those are pretty good ones.
Either one of those two.
We talked
Come
about it
on.
for a hot minute.
Everybody should have caught that one in
Yeah,
here.
everybody should have gotten that.
Besides Dave. we know,
We know Dave got
Dave's
it.
the only one paying attention. We know Dave got it. Anybody? Nobody? Jim? Jim, you're awfully
I'm happy.
quiet,
That's a
Jim.
trade. Now,
I haven't
okay,
heard
let's
from
think about
Jim in
this,
days.
huh?
I haven't heard from Jim in days.
No,
What,
that Tony's.
Jockap. Excuse me. Whatever his name
Oh,
is. Whatever he goes by.
do we take the
He's Jim.
breakout? That's too close to a bottom area though. Do you want to look at the breakout on the short side? No, I don't want to do it on this account. It's
No,
coming right
no.
now. If you want to do it, it's coming right now.
Boss Hog is not PBR. Speaking of
No.
Boss Hog, we got to see where.
I don't know who you're insulting,
Again.
Boss Hog or PBR, with that statement.
Yeah, somebody's got insulted there. I don't
You're
know who.
insulting somebody with that statement.
Somebody got insulted. Either Boss or PBR, one of the two.
Or both of them taking it as a compliment.
Or,
They probably.
yeah, that's true. I was just about to say the same thing. That it could have been a compliment for both of them.
All right, let's do this account, that account.
Yeah, I gotta call Boss. Get him in here. I miss old Boss.
I don't think I'll trade those two accounts anymore. 700 and 1,000 up.
No, that's the move on to the next account day.
Get those done.
That's I am done.
Okay. Well, might be a
Had
short
dinner with
Friday
Boss
for me.
couple. Oh, cool.
Got a few. Huh?
Was he in town? Wait.
No. Boss Hog don't trade silver, both.
No, Boss Hog does not trade silver.
What? No way.
Only PBR is crazy enough to do that. Wait, you had dinner with Boss? He was down here?
You were in Boss Hog's town? You had dinner with...
Boss came... Wait a minute. Boss came down here or you were up there?
He was up there.
I was going to say, if he was down here and didn't have dinner, didn't call me, I'd be pissed.
Why didn't you? Oh, if Boss Hog was down here, we would know. Or you would know, and I would know.
Yeah, no, for sure. He would call, let us know
he's coming down. The legend, Boss Hog. He is the legend.
Man, the myth. Miss one. We need one of his stories.
I know.
If he comes in, we got to give him mic access.
He's totally getting. You know, he's getting it.
He's got to have mic access.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Well, good. I'm glad you and Boss Hog got to hang out. That was fun. Yeah, he's got a great voice. Boss Hog. He's like got that sultry radio, like country twang.
Oh, Boss, those stories.
And
you can tell those stories in here. We're not PG in this room.
Should have gotten an RTY short too at the same time. Wasn't that quick with the trigger.
Gold is doing nothing.
That's
dead set on catching.
I thought I was gonna trade some swings on gold today.
I was dead set this morning when I woke up. I was gonna trade gold. That was my jam this morning. And I've done nothing. I had one little bitty trade on gold.
This one setup I was looking at earlier at like right at 10:15. I passed on it because I was looking at a smaller tick chart and didn't like the way it looked, and then haven't seen a single good setup since then. The one I passed on, this was still hard because this price action was pushing back up on smaller tick chart. It would have been my setup if this candle had just stayed down. I would have jumped in at the market on that one, on the gold setup, but it just didn't do it right. So, and you know my rules on gold. If it's not a perfect setup, Daddy, don't trade it. That's gonna be my rules going forward because every time I get a perfect setup, I make money. I'm gonna have to move the CL off of that account because I am not touching that $1,000. I'm gonna keep it. Gonna keep it. That's about it. I still think that breakout short's the way to go, but I don't know. I'm gonna let you make that decision.
Breakout short on
ESNQ.
I like it on the S because that would be right below. I'm not. I don't know. I mean, I got a little bit of money to burn, so
You
be
do.
worth small risk. But
You do. You do.
I do.
You do what you do. That voodoo. I don't know. I'm just being stupid now.
All right, let's try it.
Whoa! 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 There. All right. What is it? Okay. Let's try it.
Gotta be quick on the trigger. 67.50. Boom! Look
That's,
at that. You see how quick that was?
look at that. I did not do it.
You didn't do it?
No. I'm sitting here being a pansy. I told you.
Oh crap, dude! It took it instantly. I mean, like instantly took target. All right, snooze you lose.
Second chance?
You lose, you snooze. Yeah, maybe
Second
below
chance?
that new low, right?
Second chance? I don't know.
I don't know. Now we're
I
just
think
flat
I
out.
want a small. I'm gonna look for a small tick chart rally and sell that.
There you go, Brian. I put that file in there for you.
Huh?
I put that file in there for you.
What? Well, okay. Well, I gotta take a look at something here.
I mean, you should have it, but
No, that's well. Why is it not working? That's the issue I'm looking
I
at.
don't know.
That's what we need to. Oh, that's not the same one you gave me before, though. Oh, okay.
We'll try
I'll
that
look
one
at that
then.
later. Let me. Instead of trading,
I've got a couple of them in there. I don't know what I gave you.
might as
I
well
got a
play around with that.
couple of VWAP files. So
Let's see. Remove ninja script assembly. Let's just see what this says. I wanted the one that you were using, not the one that's standard.
yeah, that I don't know
Let's
which one.
see.
The problem is I don't know
I
which one
have
that is.
so that Liberty VWAP is the one that doesn't work for me anymore. I don't know why. Is it because Hugo got mad and took it away from me?
No, no, Hugo's not mad. Um, no, no, it has nothing to do with it. But this one should work. This was one Hugo gave me a while back ago. That one should
Okay.
work. If not, there's a million VWAPs on that free
Oh
Ninja
yeah. I'm
download
just looking at all this
page.
stuff I don't need here, and
Yeah, just no
what is
levels, no
sync
deviation
fusion
levels.
gauge?
I have no idea.
Do you have that?
No.
Newtonsoft.json. I got some crap in this Ninja
So you talking
script.
about your indicators?
The Ninja script assembly. I got some stuff in here that I mean I
Oh, you
obviously
talking
don't
about
need.
removing stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I need that anymore. Remove. Yes.
Yeah, I got to go through and take all the Liberty stuff off
I
too.
don't think I need. I don't think I need. Whoa! What is going on here?
No, don't get rid of that.
Liberty
The
Live
duplicate account
Zone.
actions, that's the trade copier.
Huh?
That duplicate that AI
Oh,
duplicate account,
that's Joel's trade copier.
that's Joel's trade copier, yeah.
So I have it loaded on my Ninja. That's funny. Signals with zones. Don't think I need that anymore, do I?
Unless you want to go back and start
No,
doing that.
not doing that.
Liberty toolkit, you can get rid of that.
Gone. What is this sync fusion stuff?
That I have no idea.
Do you have it?
I don't have that.
Check your
Is that
remove
is that
ninja
something
script assembly.
we were testing? I have no idea. Is that something we were testing at some point? But I bet it was.
Okay. Hopefully it doesn't break anything. Probably make my ninja run a million times better. I don't think I need that either. What is? There's a first touch. What is that?
That was the when we were working on the signals. Remember when it come back up to the 89?
Oh, that's gonna go too then.
Don't get rid of that. Don't get rid of the dot. No, wait. What did you just delete?
First, the F touch. I got rid
Oh,
of
okay.
it. Okay, let me close that out. Give me something to do other than try to trade this. Didn't get my rally. Looks like that Gabe fella just came in, got his trade, and got on out of here.
Yeah, Gabe made some money and said, "I'm going off for the." That's the way you should do
That's
it.
a smart way to do it.
That's the way to do it. Now we might be getting a little long setup here on.
Nope. Nope. I don't even
On
know. I don't care what you're talking about. I'm not doing
I'm looking at
it.
GC. I was looking at GC.
Oh. Yeah. Man, that's so much junk to go into. Ugh. Now, smaller tick chart short might be coming up here in a minute on the ES and NQ. Right at that pivot on the ES, where my failed long came from earlier.
Give me a second. I'm gonna step away for a bathroom break.
All right. Getting to be about break time anyway, isn't it? We got some good trades. I mean, guys, I don't think this is a horrible morning. When I'm green, definitely green. Definitely green. You should have volume. Mic check on the main room. We got somebody that doesn't have volume going. You should, yeah, there should be. Yes. Guys messaging me while I'm doing. Well, I'm not really trading this right now. You guys can hear me, right? See a PBR. You guys, volume. Somebody said they had volume issue. Check. Mic test. Okay. All right. Just make sure. Yeah. Let me message him back real quick and tell him that. They said they hear me. That's it. I don't know what to do. I'm not a tech guy, but we'll get it figured out. Oh, and for request on stuff, let me just tell him that. For request on stuff, put it in the. It did go up and make a lower tick chart short, but wasn't exactly my cup of tea as far as shorts go. I mean, you had it kind of like a little V top there, so I don't know. I think it's time for a morning break.
Is it that time? I gotta do my thing anyway.
It's
So
11. It's after
what do you
11.
want to do? Just come back or what time?
Maybe we come back in 30, 45 minutes, see if we can get some
Check
price
it out.
action. If it dies out, we call it a week. If it doesn't die out, we keep trading it.
Okay,
I'm good
I'm
with
game.
that.
Let's do it. Take a break.
I'm game. All
Break
right.
time.
Quitting time. Boss says quitting time.
Quitting time. It's quitting time.
All right,
Damn
let's
it.
take a break.
Be back.
Yeah, yes. Follow Tom. Go to the member hangout, guys. We'll be back, and I'll let you guys know. We're not gonna start back in here. I'll go into the member hangout, and let you guys know we're here. You guys will know. Go to the member hangout. Do it. You'll be happy you did.